Okay, so this is going to be the first part of me making the Dirty Cabbage Recipe. This is a great meal prep, low carb recipe. You can also make it lower in sodium. I'll talk about that as I go. But this is something that I've never made it before, but it looks like it's going to be absolutely delicious. Now, keep in mind, I love cabbage. So, I mean, it can't be that much wrong with it when you love cabbage. So I've got my vegetable dicer over here, and I'm gonna cut these bell peppers up into chunks. And you can use whatever color you want to. I think the recipe that I got used a red one and a yellow one, or a red one and a green one. I've got a red or a dark orange and a yellow. This is supposed to be red, I think, but it don't matter. Anyway, so let's get these chopped up. So we're just gonna, hang on, I'm gonna raise this up a little bit. Okay. Whew, my tripod is not wanting to cooperate today. Okay. So I just take these and just chop them with this thing. It's fabulous. I love this. I love this thing. Hang on. Paper's a little big. You gotta get it in the box. Oops. And okay, now we're also gonna chop up an onion. So hang on a minute while I peel it. All right, so we're gonna just quarter this onion and chop it. I keep bumping in the tripod. I always forget to put it on my left side. It's okay. Okay, so this is just one onion and 2 bell peppers. And honestly, I could do more onion if it were me, but you do what you want to do. I would probably honestly put another onion in there if I had, if I had a minute. But anyway, I've got a minute. I'm just not going to do it. I don't want to go there and get another one out. Basically, stop. Stupid gnats. This is some, now you can do this whatever way you want to. You can this is some smoked sausage, and you can do like this, or Bandon, stop screaming. You can do this sausage, or I'm gonna use this to chop this too. I think we'll see how it works. I've never used it. Huh? Okay, it's working. Cool. I know you can't chop raw bacon on it. I made that mistake. Anyway, you could do like bacon. You could do this smoked sausage. You can do, I'm going to go ahead and do both, because I know me, I will let the other one go to waste if I don't. We're making a big batch of this because I'm going to have it for supper tonight. And I'm going to have it for meal prep tomorrow and maybe even the next day, because Okay, we're just gonna try to spread those out so we've got room for some more sausage. Oh, goodness. And then the other meat that we're gonna put in here is some ground beef. So you could do ground chicken, you could do ground beef, you could do ground turkey. You could just do sausage. Okay, so there's all the chopping for that part. Now, let's see. We're going to also chop up our cabbage on here, on this video, so that we're all ready to go. We're getting ready to go live here in just a minute and actually do the whole thing. But I wanted to cut this part off of the live just because it can get a little redundant to watch somebody chop up vegetables. This is a small head of cabbage, but it's, you know, it'll work. Gotta make sure we get that core out of there. Now you chop your cabbage, keep that for the chickens. However you want to. I'm gonna go with, I like the long, thin pieces like this. Makes me feel like I'm getting some kind of a noodle, and it helps me, so that's what I like to do. And you can even, like, get away, Nat. Oh, it's that time of year. Flies and the gnats, they know their days are numbered, I think. See? And we just have our little cabbage. This is a really dense head of cabbage too. There's two reasons I like it like this. One, it'll cook faster. And two, like I said, it gives me a noodle vibe. And I'm all in on that. So, get away. Alright, now, so that's all you need chopped up for your dirty cabbage. And when we come back on live, you'll get to see how I put it all together to make it. See you later.